what's going on. This is my European goldfinch that I had out of someone's aviary a couple of weeks ago. I'm trying to get him hand tame, so I'm going to give it a go and show you what we do to get him used to people. You see, he's not there yet, but we'll go through the steps. So what we're going to do first, right, is we're going to wait for him to perch up, and then we're going to turn off the light. I'll stand out of the way now. Still left the aquarium light on, so you can sort of see what I'm doing. The thing is, it might be too light for him. It's better in darkness, but we'll see. Just slowly get him to step up on your finger. Okay. I want to try him to step up on your other fingers and just keep getting him to step up and down. You can sort of see, obviously it ain't pitch black, and then what you do then is you just gradually increase the light. So I'm going to put him back in. Just a second. Right, he's back in there. I'm going to turn on the hallway light, light it up a bit better. Wait there. So now I've got a bit more light on the situation. He's already up in the corner. We'll just give him a second or two to calm down. He was colour fed before I got him, so he got the orange on his wing there and the yellow. He's not a mutation, so we're just, because he's not moving, he seems pretty calm even though he's in a corner. We will gently slip a finger in, slowly, and see what he does. Let him calm it. There he goes, he calmed down a bit. There he goes, look. So he knows he just stepped up on my finger. He's not stupid. He knows he stood on my hand. I think he's gonna try and come out. He's in a part of my hand, I can't do nothing now. He either walks back in or he comes out. Let's see what he does. He's having a look around. We'll let him calm down. Now we'll try with full light and see what happens. This is basically the best way, really, like I find. Unless you like hand reading them from a really young age. They're totally different then. But obviously this has come from someone's aviary. It's this year's bird. So he is, you know, good couple of months old, I would have said. 8, 7. Gotta be on it. He's fully grown. He's looked like he's gone through the moat at least once. Oh, he's out. Okay. Right, we got him back. He landed on the stairs. I switched off the light and picked him up. If they do start flying around in the dark, switch on the lights as quick as you can. Top tip. And you can also, when he gets a little bit calmer, let him fly around the room, turn off the light, get him to step up on your finger from wherever he's perched, and then switch the light on. But obviously you don't want him flying around in the dark. They'll hurt themselves. And just keep repeating the process until he's calm. And he just steps up on your finger. We've been doing it a couple of nights. And you can see he's still a bit flighty with all the lights on. He's going to fly out again. So we just turn off the kitchen light. Try again. Oop. Okay, calm down. There, he's perched now. Should be easier to get him to step up. There he is, little Reggie. I mean, you're just getting used to the interaction and trying to make sure he's not as scared. Let him know you're not going to eat him. Oh, he's coming out. We better go back in. Just let him get used to you, really. So yeah, good luck with yours if you're, hope you find it informational. I love it, I do. I can't wait till he's singing properly. And it should be tame enough to sit on my finger and sing his head off. That's the plan. Just gotta get him used to me. But yeah, I'll keep you updated.